guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you guys here back with me again for another nail video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can know every time I post a video. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And for you guys don't know, I am on a nail journey of learning how to do my own nails, and I'm glad for you guys to take this journey with me. So let's get started on these nails. Now, I went ahead and go ahead and prep my nails off camera. For the people that don't know, usually the nail tips that I use are these pre-coffin tips by Acrylic. I do clip off the numbers, and that's pretty much what I do, but you're more than welcome to clip them a little bit shorter. And then I do use my Pillable base coat by Unity, so I can pop these nails off once I'm finished with them. So before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and use my MelodySusie nail drill, and I'm going to go ahead and take the shine off these nails. So I'm gonna let some music play, and then you guys are going to watch me file down my nails. You guys, so now that my nails are the shine is off my nails, I'm going to go into my 3-in-1 base coat. And again, you guys can use this as a base coat, nail glue, slip solution, but again, I only use this as a slip solution. And then also, before you put this on, make sure you wipe your nails down with either alcohol, or either I use my Young Nail Swipe, but you can use alcohol. It works just the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover the whole nail so the polygel can have something to stick on. Now, before I cure my nails, I am doing, a Christmas set. So I do want to keep, so I'm going to be going between the base coat and glitter a lot in this set. So before I do anything, I do want to have a mix of red and green glitter on this nail. So we're just going to do that, and you guys are going to see how I'm doing that. You guys, so I did put a snowflake on my middle finger because I kind of want a snowflake just to give it more of a Christmas theme. So then I'm actually going to do this one a little bit different. So this will probably be a long video, but I am going to cure my nails for 60 seconds in my nail lamp. So I'll be right back after I cure this. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do this nail fully new. I'm going to use the nail extension gel by Makartt in the color Siesta. So I'm going to go ahead and use this nude here. So I'm going to start right here in the middle. And then I'm going to take my alcohol, and again, I use 70%. And I'm just going to flatten it out. so now that these nails are cured into the nail lamp, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the cuticle at this point, because I kind of want like a diagonal way that I want my nails to go. So I'm gonna start at the cuticle. I need a little bit more. Let's push this down a lot. Now what I'm going to do is take that nude and I'm going to start in the middle. And I don't want a lot because I am encapsulating these nails, so that's why I'm not putting a lot on. So I went ahead and did this one nude. I was trying to decide if I was going to do like a full glitter, but I already have a full glitter, so I don't want to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just shape these a little bit so the lines can be as straight as possible. So now what I'm going to do is take my base coat again, and I'm going to just go in between the nails. So I'm just going to take some of these and I'm going to start placing them on the nail. Now that those are cured, I'm going to go in with my clear Polygel here. And you are more than welcome to just clear it the whole way through, but I'm going to do it in two sections. So I'm going to start here. Once I give me a little bit of Polygel out, start right there. You don't need a lot.
Let's see.
Okay, so I just went ahead and hand filed these nails a little bit off camera. So what I just did was just shape them into the shape that I want. Make sure they giving that coffin look that I'm looking for. Now this one, because it has clear and regular gel on there, the Siesta, I'm going to go in with the drill and shape that a little bit better because it's working my nerves. Okay, it's not giving what it's supposed to give. So it want to play, we can play, you know, let's play ball. So I'm going to go in with my nail drill by MelodySusie and take an 80 by 80 sanding bit, keep that on forward, and I'm going to start drilling these nails, period. So I'm just going to put that on number 5. Okay, you guys, so now that my nails are drilled down the way I want them to be, now I'm going to go in with my buffer and I'm going to buff my nails out really good. So I'm using the one by Maryton 80 by 80. So once I buff these nails out, I'll be right back. All right, now that these nails are buffed out, I'm going to try to attempt to hand draw some French tips, y'all. Like, attempt, okay? If it don't work out for me, then we'll just have to figure something else out. This is just because I was practicing. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my red gel polish by MelodySusie. Y'all know I'm 10 out of 10. I'm not saying it right. I'm telling y'all, I am not saying that right at all. So I'm just going to take a little brush like this by Beetles. It came in a pack and I got these off Amazon. Again, everything that I do use will be in the description down below. So this is before I even curl my nails so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to scare y'all. So I'm going to attempt to try to French tip my nails. Girl, I was not breathing. I was legit not breathing, y'all. I'm scared once I do that line, it's over with. All right, I'm leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. Oh snap! Oh. Okay, you guys, so that type of snowflake that I tried to draw wasn't given. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the easy breezy beautiful cover girl type of snowflake. So I'm gonna start with a dot in the middle. This is the best that y'all gonna get out of me. Period. So I'm actually going to take I kind of want this kind of like sweater, if I'm making sense. So I'm going to take some of my nail powder. This is Clear by Young Nails. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to sprinkle it all over the nail like that. So I'm thinking of keeping my nail matte. I should have put matte polish on. So don't do what I do. Put matte polish on before you start drawing. But I'm going to work around it. So I don't know if I kind of want to keep these. Okay, you guys. So this is like what I got so far. So Y'all know what I got to do. I gotta add a little bedazzle dazzle. You know what I'm saying? I just can't leave this plain. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. So I think I'm gonna just put some across this.
Let's see.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I tried my best. I just put some basic rhinestones across the cuticles, and I just use emerald green and red color, which I got these off of Amazon. Y'all know, if y'all hear my stomach growling, please ignore it because I'm over here hungry as I don't get hungry. So I use my rhinestone glue by Makartt. And I forgot to tell you guys what white polish I used. I did for this. I did use the Makartt gel polish in Blanc. B-L-A-N-C-K. That's what I used. And I did use my, which I need to close it, Cuticle Oil. Soil Cuticle Oil by Makartt, which I love. And just, you guys, just tell me what you guys think. I really try my best at doing the snowflake. I'm sorry, you guys, if it don't like meet the expectation. Again, I am not artistic. Like, I'm not really artsy, like drawing. I can't barely draw stick figures. Okay, so I try my best. So I don't know, I was like, yeah, it's cool or whatever, But until next time, you guys, I will catch you guys on my next video. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, go ahead and leave a comment down below for next suggestion videos that you guys want me to try or just whatever. I do appreciate you guys comment, but you don't have to comment, I just love reading your comments and just, talking to you guys. But until next time, you guys, I will see you later. Bye.